Hey there, storytellers and creators. Are you ready to dive into a magical trend that's transforming the way kids enjoy stories and how creators like you can make money online? Welcome to today's video, Kids Fantasy, the hot trend to sell Canva. Kids Stories Review. Imagine creating enchanting kids' fantasy stories with just a few clicks. No need for fancy software or being a professional illustrator. Canva, the ultimate design tool, is making it possible for anyone to craft and sell delightful kids' stories. Let's dive in and see how you can ride this hot trend. Kids' fantasy stories are exploding in popularity, and here's why. In a world full of devices, parents are eager to buy storybooks that spark their kids' imaginations. Canva's drag-and-drop tools make it super easy to design characters, worlds, and adventures that are truly unique. You can create these stories once and sell them over and over on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Cool, right? Now let's take a closer look at Canva's features that make this all possible. Canva is a game changer for story creators. Here's what makes it shine. Canva has stunning, kid-friendly templates. Just pick one and customize it to fit your fantasy tale. From castles to cute animals, Canva's graphics library is packed with everything you need. No design experience? No problem. Drag, drop, and adjust. It's as simple as that. And the best part? You can download your stories as PDFs or even turn them into print-on-demand books. Talk about versatile. Ready to jump in? Here's a quick 3-step guide. Pick a theme. Unicorns, dragons, space adventures. The possibilities are endless. Design your story. Use Canva's templates. Add your text and tweak the visuals to make your story shine. Sell and promote. Upload your finished story to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Don't forget to use social media to spread the word. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. Focus on storytelling. Even with great designs, a memorable story is what will keep kids coming back. Test your market. Share a free sample on social media or with friends to see what works. Leverage trends. Incorporate popular themes like STEM, diversity, or environmental awareness to stand out. So, there you have it. Canva is making it easier than ever to create and sell kids' fantasy stories. You like this tool? Check out link in description more learn. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more creative tips and trends. Let's make storytelling magical and profitable together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!